Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2014 Mercedes-Benz C300 4MATIC. This one's in iridium silver metallic. Underneath the hood is a 3.5 V6 with 248 horsepower and 251 pounds of torque. This one does come with a sports package with a sports exterior and interior, 17-inch 5-spoke wheels, black MB-Tex interior with a burl walnut wood trim, sunroof, C300 4MATIC badging, clean set of all season and regular floor mats, memory seats, steering wheel controls, media display, hard keys for the radio and media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, automatic transmission, turn wheel for the infotainment center. This C-Class has 58,422 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2014 Mercedes-Benz C300 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.